Cesaria by Porsari. Pass to begin. Danori inside. Darling Hers in between horses. Invincible. Then followed by Shamo Pamilya, China Star. Mr. Environment, Don Alejandro, and Epira is the early trailer by Porsari. Zari outside. Danori inside is Invincible. Alenk watching in third. China Star. Darling Hers is Danori inside. Then followed by Shamo Pamilya, Mr. Environment, Don Alejandro, and a long way back to Epira. Meanwhile, we have Invincible and by Porsari. Now fighting it out for the lead. Darling Hers in third. China Star remains in fourth. Shamo Pamilya moving up. Don Alejandro, Danori inside. Alongside Mr. Environment, and Epira still racing in last. And that's still by Porsari by about 3/4 of a length. Invincible. Then here comes China Star now trying to get closer in third. Shamo Pamilya in fourth. Mr. Environment, Don Alejandro, Darling Hers, and Epira. Invincible once again takes the lead. And Arias now is China Star. And in third by Porsari as they come down to the last 150. Invincible, China Star, Danori inside, Shamo Pamilya, mulling up Mr. Environment. China Star, Invincible, Shamo Pamilya, Mr. Environment. It's now China Star entering the finish line. Jackie Jesse, Basilio Guse on China Star. Second, Mr. Environment, Invincible, Don Alejandro, Shamo Pamilya, Epira by Porsari, Darling Hers.
Napagtsagaan ni J.B. Guse.